What's the meaning of brat pack? Brat pack. Brat pack.
Brat pack. Brat pack. The term brat pack was popularized in the 1980s to describe a group of young, successful actors in Hollywood who frequently starred in coming-of-age films together. This group included actors such as Emilio Estevez, Rob Lowe, Demi Moore, Molly Ringwald, and Judd Nelson, among others. The brat pack often played characters who were struggling with issues like identity, relationships, and growing up in their movies, which resonated with a generation of young viewers. Although the term brat pack has fallen out of use in recent years, the group of actors it described remains an iconic symbol of youth culture in the 1980s.